We've felt very welcomed since the very beginning of the internship, not just in the leasing department, but we've gotten to meet with construction, redevelopment, legal, everyone.
Working at DLC, it's been amazing to be back in the office. I've been at home studying, and I haven't been in the classroom or being able to do hands-on experience. So just getting into the office has been really helpful to kind of learn what company culture and the business place is like.
The culture at DLC is a big family. From our ride yesterday, I mean, we looked like a family. We were all in Brooks Volvo. It was 7 of us, so it was funny to see that, getting out of the car, and went out to lunch. It was just a great atmosphere.
What I've learned from the experience so far has been a lot of good technical information about the real estate market in leasing and open air real estate in general. And that just comes from listening in on calls, reading over emails, and just trying to shadow the work of the people I'm working around.
With the skills I've gained already, I've done some cold calls, just helping out, trying to get tenants into the South Hills. I had one today with T-Mobile, so I used a lot of the canvassing aspects that we learned.
The most rewarding part is just the people, getting to meet so many different people.
I will say that every project and assignment I've had so far, we've worked on as a team. Every lease we're looking at, every tenant we're talking to, we try and get multiple people on it, just so we have the perspectives, and it's a more collaborative environment that makes you want to work more.